Welcome to Carsu Academy. I'm Maria, Carsu Academy trainer. I'm here to help you learn how to use the Carsu app. Let's dive in and explore how Carsu can help take your workshop to the next level. Each video will show you how to use a different part of the platform. It's simple, and I'll guide you all the way. We'll go step by step. Let's now explore the Estimates module of the Carsu app. This is a crucial area for managing your proposals and ensuring transparency with your customers. Upon accessing the application, navigate to the left-hand side menu and click on Estimates. The All Estimates screen provides a clear overview of all the estimates your shop has generated. This feature is a core component of effective auto repair software, helping to streamline operations and improve efficiency. The main body of the screen lists all your estimates with columns for Date, the date the estimate was created. Topic, a brief description of the service estimated. Client, the customer associated with the estimate. Plate, the license plate number of the vehicle. Amount, the total estimated cost of the service. Status, the current status of the estimate. Prominently displayed in the top right, the Create New Estimate button. This button is your starting point for generating a new service estimate for a customer. Besides, you have convenient search and filter icons, magnifying glass, next to the client and plate columns. These allow you to quickly find specific estimates by searching for the customer name or vehicle license plate number. At the top, you can see and adjust the date range. This allows you to view estimates created within specific periods, making it easy to track your sales proposals. This Estimates module is essential for managing your sales process, providing clear quotes to customers and easily tracking the status of all proposed work. It ties directly into customer satisfaction and efficient repair shop management. Thank you for watching this training session. I trust it has provided you with a clear understanding of how to use Estimates feature in the Carsu platform. Should you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact our support team or explore additional training resources in the Carsu Academy. We look forward to assisting you in the next module.